Hi, my name is Christel Lundqvist, and this is the technique that I did for my model Violet. Start by creating a radial parting from ear to ear, then take a triangular section. Begin the application at the nape by taking a horizontal parting and apply Formula 1 to the new growth through to the length and ends. At the next parting, apply Formula 1 to the new growth. And with a freehand blending technique, apply Formula 2 to the mid-length and the ends. Alternate on the other side and continue working in the same way until the back section is complete. At the triangular section, apply Formula 1 to the new growth through to the ends. Continue in the same way until the triangular section is complete. Repeat the back application technique in the remaining sections. Process the colour for up to 20 minutes. Rinse and remove using the recommended aftercare.